Don't know, represent the Petagaye Lifeline. Don't know, she's on YouTube, that she have 9 live. Just click on the red button and subscribe. I don't know, we're out there. Hope.
Hi guys, well I'm just come home from work. We're going to Akim down the road, change just buy ice cream.
Awesome.
Ice cream cake. That is cookie and cream.
Nice.
So and then Akim say something for me. Let's see if I don't joke because Akim might assess things. I say I have food for you. I go down there and then just because your mom like a company. So we're gonna see what I'm up to and see. I'm actually going, guys. Who remember when I had natural hair? Let me know in the description.
When you have cream here.
Yeah, in the comment section. Let me know when my hair was
Cream, I know it's
cream.
natural.
Natural.
She have to tell her which one they look better.
Yeah, which one look better. But anyways, maybe I'll put my another style. But soon can you thing and thing. So that guys, there's Akim. Where's my goods?
Son.
Oh, I'm going for Akim here. Oh, Akim.
Alright.
Akim, what change it scene? You're gonna get cute.
Kinda look like Bushman right now, but
You're not really tan. You're not really ugly, you know? You just need a little care.
you understand?
Little
You don't come
care.
care me. You don't come care me. Got a cute couple now.
No. Guys, comment. No. May I get dark? Somebody there, so.
Long table.
Watch them, actually. Show them. So, where you cook? Guys, I soon start go to Akim gym. What's my exercise? But either, so yeah.
Remember to check me out, guys, at Real Life Self Defense HR@gmail.com. Hit me up. Find out where my trainings are. Find out where the locations are. Boom.
Yeah, because you see Akim had the little.
Alright. What is it?
So beautiful.
But I say she's not ugly, you know?
I'm saying you tell me something nice. That's what I got now.
Ooh, is that her boyfriend?
No.
Yes, sir. Watch Akim. He might wash. You know them style of Jamaican people do them style.
Cool, man.
No, sir. But he might wash, but it's still no in the
You're on the line.
Oh, it's on the line. Come here, no. You don't know what my one day now. And she never feed me. You just feed Akim.
Now let's see what I'm afraid of. She's doing nice like Aki. Aki is second time.
So, this is what's up. We're going to see if him. We're going at the pot. Because normally me used to come chef out for Akim, you know. But him get wife, so you know, say look a friend of a backup. But see what the wife can do, and if she not do it good, I step in and say, I'm not gonna sit down, I'm gonna cook for me. Good friends do those things. You agree?
I know.
Me? Oh, of course. Come on. One time Petagaye have to feed me and take care of me and bear things, man.
Until I move up and find a woman. I'm gonna I keep doing for me and baby. I need to find a woman for me.
I did
a marine time something?
You're hungry? She just had deal with the ice cream bag. Guys, tell me, sir, you know, if you tell me, do I hear fear, you know? I tell you, say, you can't go on.
Thanks.
I just tell me, because if I mean, you do it, then you can.
I can't do no own.
What's your face? Look how I see woman that cook. Yeah, cook. Put it. What the rice is that done? No, it's a good one. Right, so what is so? You got cook for the bagage. Put it. Look, I see woman that good. Daniel make. What is this, Daniel? Punch. What kind of punch, Dan?
Chocolate punch. Yes, a chocolate.
Oh, you make it.
So you can't tell me. People go taste it. Taste it. Me know what this. I tell you how I taste it. What? Banana.
Let me taste it.
You full of shit. With some banana.
And Guinness. And a Guinness?
Something else tonight then.
Peanut.
Rum.
Peanut in there.
No.
Peanut
And
in
a
there?
peanut at what? You know, what's tears? What's and banana? That's all me can figure out.
I'm gonna use water. Milk. And a normal cow's milk.
No.
Exactly. I got it right.
Go up there. You want the eel bug go up there. So.
As soya milk. What?
Take it, mom.
In a
Daniel, you have to give me some for wife of this. Yeah. Some.
Daniel, give me a little taste now. See over this. You know, little taste on the little pot. Cause you know, so we might soon get dinner. And she eat with spoon.
So what?
Oh, it taste.
And then I give you a spoon.
I'm eat the spoon.
Can't go.
And that you eat it spoon?
Yeah.
Yeah, greedy people eat a spoon.
Never tell them I'm not greedy people, but me eat it spoon sometimes I can't find the far. Let's test out Daniel. Cause you know so I'm a food critique.
There, help me find mine.
Let me see here. Alright, she make. I don't see good, but I'm sure no good. But I'm see them.
And I will give you.
Taste it. Taste like a salad. Yeah, this alright.
Look at all.
A beer red.
No other hot. The heat. The rice can go on. So far I give you an A. Test out the peas, cause you know say. Peas well soft. That's wonderful. Test out the meat now. Okay, I must say. Sure chicken. So me what?
Hey guys, playing game.
Happy before.
Yeah. Happy before. Excited. I got a 60 move my
Guys? I for sure say all the meat cook properly, cause it's in the red. So big up yourself, my friend. You must have your husband.
Is that right, that's so?
Your husband for wife, yo. Wife her. Cause don't left her because she can't feed me. So
That's funny, whatever.
no, but yeah, for true. Cause I can't feed me I can't pie. This the boy is about throat.
That's too much.
I just mix you.
Yeah, one more.
You can buy a car. You want more? So guys, may I just take some more? And she cook my food. She cook my food, you know. She have a lot of chicken.
Aqui vai, eu tenho que fazer só.
Awa Akim?
Aqui, ó, aqui é esse?
No, you show me. Delete it.
No, can't right?
Delete me.
From the on my vlog, from I put it up on YouTube, you're not coming down, boy. You make history.
Some
So,
cooking.
yeah, but don't time with the food, yeah?
Do what?
Don't time me.
One time in?
Don't time me because I have to come down here for some more.
I'm not telling nobody.
Okay.
You stay if you want to stay.
Trade. You know, so if I want to go, I'm going.
You know you have to stay.
Okay. Okay, yeah.
That was yes.
No, we start that there. Look at the pour up there second that me.
No, sir. Tonight, you have school of morning. So, guys, while
Look when them look.
so while I leave Akim now, so I'm gonna go home.
You like you them bad light.
Them can't see 3 head, one of mine, one of you, and one of Akim. Do what?
So that one.
Ed.
What next Sunday? You're too disgusting. So,
My dog had some puppies. See one there, sleeping. Next one. I have a next one around the corner of the house. I want to show you guys the puppy. Watch them. They're like, I think 3 weeks old or something like that. So I don't have any names for them as yet. So this is my Sunday dinner. Pumpkin rice in fish. So yeah, what are you guys having for dinner? Let me guys know in the description, in the comment section.
so today was a very short vlog. So going to my bed. Change the right. So anyways, this is where I'm ending tonight's vlog. Remember to give my video a thumbs up, comment when done, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and subscribe. Remember to send me your intro though. But bye bye. See you in my next upload, which is maybe tomorrow. So yeah, you have anything you want to say?
Good night.
Yeah, so good night.